wanna be the one, and I know you wanna spend your time in a better place. What you really want, I know you cry, I know you try, I know you feel, I know you lie. I love you, you love me, you know that, I feel that. I love you, you love me, you know that, I feel that. I want you, you want me, you feel that, I know that. I want you, you want me, you feel that, I know that.
Hello guys, after 2.5, actually 3 hours of driving, well, 2 hours of driving and 1 hour in traffic, we got to a waterfall which is called
Lotrișor.
Lotrișor. That's it, I guess, yeah.
I think that's the waterfall.
That's the waterfall. It's amazing. It's a bit less than Niagara waterfall, but it's fine.
Yeah, it does the work.
No, it's not. I think waterfall is a bit farther. Because there were a few cars over there, so probably they also came to see waterfall. It's quite beautiful here. A lot of trees, a lot of nature. So we just passed the gates. We paid 10 leis,
2 euros
which is
50.
2 euros 50, 2 euros 40.
20.
Well,
Yeah.
less than 2.50 for entrance to this national park, or yeah, it's national park.
Yeah, Cozia. National Park Cozia.
And until the waterfall, we have to walk like half an hour.
That's what we came for after all.
We weren't expecting,
Yeah.
but it's fine because we planned to spend here at least 1 hour. So
They don't allow now anymore to enter with cars. Except like they ruin everything. Better.
oh, it's fine. At least the museums here and the parks and the places where you can visit doesn't cost much.
No.
It's not like, for example, in Italy.
And I don't know. But
So we have a Tarzan over here. It's a really beautiful
I
place.
like the sound of the water.
So in 3 days that I'm here, this is probably the first moment that I don't stress, because driving stuff in Bucharest made me very stressful.
Drive, I drive.
You don't, I don't drive, yes, but I get stressed because of you, because these drivers, they don't have patience. They are making the sound, how it's called in
Horn.
English? Huh?
Or
No, I think it's called beep beep. So yeah, they are making beep beep all the time. It's like you have fault or you don't. It's just the traffic. You can't change anything, you know. You are a simple car in the middle. You're not the first one and you are not the last one. And the one behind you, like beep beep. And they complain that you don't go. But where you should go, no one knows.
making this place stressful, please.
No, this place is very peaceful. So this is the first moment, after the moments when I was eating food, that I'm in peace.
In 5
And-
minutes, don't worry. All I make is to not be in peace.
And we're going to the cities with a lot of nature, so I will be more and more in peace. And I will go back to Spain very relaxed. So we're walking already, I don't know, 25 minutes maybe, and we just met people and they told that there is like 800 meters left until the waterfall, so we're going.
Not just Bucharest.
Are you sure we didn't pass the waterfall?
Yeah.
So guys, we're close to the waterfall. As you can see, it's quite big. I was expecting it will be less than that. It's big! I was just thinking about that. Whoa! That's very nice place. Wanna take a shower? So that was the waterfall. We found out that we're about 500 meters above the sea level.
Ooh, above the
Yes.
altitude.
It's cold.
Altitude.
On altitude,
She's translating everything
on
from Russian.
altitude of 500 meters above the sea level. It's called
If
like
you say
that.
altitude, everyone will understand.
Yeah, but above the sea level, it's also correct in English.
No one says it.
It's correct. What the fuck? Ma che cazzo?
One day in Milan and she already speaks Italian.
I speak cazzo. I speak cazzo.
Can you speak hui hui?
Yes.
Я говорю hui hui?
Oh, Alex, show me your Russian.
Нахуй!
Okay, what I was telling. What is now our next stop? Sibiu.
Yeah.
So our next stop is Sibiu. It's on Sibiu. I always say incorrect. Sibiu.
Sibiu.
Sibiu. Joder.
Sibiu.
Sibiu.
Not Sibiu. Sibiu.
Sibiu.
Нахуй.
Sibiu.
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 Not Sibiu. Look. Sibiu.
Our
Ew.
next stop
Ew.
is Sibiu. Sibiu.
Sibiu.
Sibiu. Ah,
But why Sibiu?
Sibiu. It's Sibiu. Whatever.